Hello guys, this is Steph, and in this video I'm going to show you that my views this past 28 days. I have made 21 subscribers, and the most popular video was for now today. Did you get your Valentine shirt? I will show you.
Okay, I've got it. All right.
It's just TikTok. So I want to promote my shop. Here are the designs I will show you in my Etsy shop right now. This is my burgers are my Valentine, barbecue is my Valentine, Indian food is my Valentine, pizza is my Valentine. I will make more because I see people are interested. Sushi is my Valentine. My wife is her favorite food, and yeah, just a short video about what I'm doing and what I'm doing with my Etsy journey. I made only one sale, and let me show you my stats because some of you want to know. So for last 30 days I have the total of 1,825 views and visits 1,423, and I only made one order. So it's still shipping. I don't know how it's the quality. I need to make samples. So what I will do first, I will try to find a job so I can sponsor this, because this is my passion, but passion doesn't pay money, and you need to be rationalized and very concise with your what you want. So for that I will make a decision. Should I be a truck driver or should I be something in this like Shopify expert or something like that? And I will see. So Etsy, it's very nice. They have what is trending. I have made 207 listings in 1 month. I opened my shop on 1st of January as a New Year resolution, and this is my journey. So if you want to continue with this kind of videos, just subscribe and like this video. So I hope you like this video and join me on my journey, and I hope you see you soon with more reviews, and if you have any comments, please share it down below. See you soon.